Welcome to our YouTube channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss a tip to secure, manage and optimize your Linux server. So let's get started. Today's topic is a medium risk security check that often overlooked. Let's talk about command line interface timeouts and how setting them can help protect your server. So first we will log into our server. So here I am using my test machine through SSH protocol. So SSH and root user and IP address of my system, and here it is a host name of my test machine. So what does this mean exactly? If there is no timeout set for the command line, any open session could stay active indefinitely, even if the user is idle. That is a security risk, especially on shared or public system. So let's how to fix it in just a few steps. So step 1 is open the etc/etc/ profile file with your favorite editor, or I am using the vi or nano you can use. Now add this line at the end of the file. So the line is TMOUT, TMOUT equal to, and I am putting 300. So 300 second means 5 minutes. So you can adjust it, but it is recommended to keep it under 600 second for better security. And the next step is next apply the changes by running. So source/etc profile, that's it. Now if someone leaves their terminal session idle, it will automatically log out after the set time. To test this, I logged in as both root and a regular user called test user. I left both session idle, and after 300 seconds, both were automatically log out. So just secure auto logout as expected. That's it. This is simple change help reduce the risk of unauthorized access from idle session, especially useful on the shared or production servers. So that's it for today. If this helped you secure your server, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more easy to follow Linux tutorial and system admin tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.